From last lecture, you see the features of the PIC microcontroller. Today I am going to discuss about the architecture of the PIC microcontroller 16F877A. Remember, here the F is represent this. The particular microcontroller has the flash step of the program memory. That means this particular F type is the flash type. For simplicity, the PIC microcontroller and PIC microcontroller 16C6X and 16C7X is considered as the starting point from the discussion. The architecture, pin diagram, memory organization and instruction etc. are the specific to the PIC parts 16C61 and the 16C71. The PIC philosophy is understood. The reader may go for the any other PIC microcontroller. PIC microcontroller have hardwired architecture. The program memory and data memory use the separate buses. Instruction pipeline allows the instruction to get the executed in the single cycle. The execution cycle of the one instruction overlap with the fetch cycle of the next instruction. The PIC architecture consists of the ALU, CPU register, program counter and instruction register, on-chip program memory, on-chip RAM and 8-level stack, timer, oscillator circuitry. It is easier to the reader starts with the programming model of PIC microcontrollers rather than the drawing the complex block diagram PIC devices. A simple block diagram is shown in the figure. For the block diagram other devices, the reader may refer the data sheets of the PIC devices microchips. We know that there are the different type of the read-only memory. We start from the ROM, next we move the RAM and EEPROM. Let we shift to the flash read-only memory. So this is the particular microcontroller has three type of the program memory. First one, flash program memory. It is the 8 kilo into the 14. That means the size of the program memory is 8 kilobyte and the word of the size of is the 14 bit. So this is the one program memory. And this is the particular microcontroller having 8 bit. With that means that this is the work length is the 8 bit. What is that meaning? The meaning of this particular microcontroller can maximum 8 bit at that time, or if can transfer and receiver maximum 8 bit at that time. See here ALU, arithmetic logic unit. This is the arithmetic and logical unit get performed into the logical and arithmetic operation. Maximum of 8 bits. In that case, this ALU to the help of the register code. Working register is that the shows in figure as shown is the block diagram. The working register of the size is 8 bit. This is register much particularly ALU operation perform. That means it has the provide one data to this ALU before the ALU operation after complete the operation of ALU. In that the result store in the working register itself. This ALU can do this arithmetic and logical operation between the working register. And that the PIC microcontroller 16F877 are the 8-bit microcontroller. The arithmetic and logical unit, this is the 8-bit wide. It can perform operation on the temporary working register and make the register file. The ALU may affect various flag namely as carry flag, digit carry flag, zero flag and the status register depending upon the instruction executed. The next CPU register. CPU register in PIC microcontroller in that the CPU register under the working register, that is the 8-bit, status register, that is the 8-bit, FSR, that means file selection register, it also 8-bit. Then next PC latch and the program counter latch and program counter low byte, that is the program counter latch is the 5-bit and the program counter low byte is the 8-bit. Then next is the W register, that is the working register. W register is the working register, that is 8-bit wide. It contains the one of the source operands during the execution of the instruction, may serves the destination for the result of the operation. This has the similar function for the accumulator of the microcontroller. W register is only used for the ALU operation and is not an addressable register. Thus that the load W register with some immediate data that is the address 005. The instruction is the move LW05. Similarly, the load any other register, it is required to use this move LW instruction. First the load working register and then the transfer of the contents for the working register to respect to the destination register. Thus to write the port B of the instruction. You can use the port A, port B, port C, port D or the port E. That is the while the writing port, it is necessary load to the input output direction, that means the trias. आपण इथे पोर्ट बी यूज करणार आहे, त्याच्यासाठी मग इनपुट आउटपुट डायरेक्शन आपली ट्रायस बी, ॲज विल इन सी द लेटर. Then next is the FSR, file selection register. That is the file selection register, indirect data memory address pointer. File selection register is the pointer used for the indirect memory addressing in the whole register file. It must be the PIC microcontroller. Every instruction that can use for the direct addressing may also used in the different way for the indirect addressing. The only difference in the indirect addressing mode, that is the one has the write the answer address byte in FSR, then use the INDF instruction, that thus the FSR points to the desired memory location. What do you mean that the INDF register? That is the indirect through the FSR. INDF stands for the indirect through the FSR. This is not physical register. Addressing INDF indirect through the FSR register will causes the indirect addressing. That means INDF can be throughout the indirect through FSR, where the brackets indicates the addressing. Any instruction using INDF register actually access the register pointed by the FSR. And then all the register have the address reachable within the 7 bits of the address independent of the bit RP0. Several registers include the INDF, namely as the status, PCL, FSR, PC latch, INTCON are the addressable from the either bank 0 or bank 1. Then next is the PC latch, program counter latch. The figure shows about the program counter latch content are the transferred to the PC when the PCL is written. PC latch can be independently read or written like any other register. PC latch is the different from the program counter and the separate entity. Used for the PC latch as shown in the figure. Any write to the PCL will causes contain the PC latch to the transferred to the 13-bit program counter higher location. Then next is the PCL, program counter lower byte. PCL program counter lower byte is the 13-bit wide. It can read like as the register. As seen in the figure, a write PCL causes PC latch content to be transferred to the program counter higher bit location automatically. Then the program counter of the 16CF associated with the 8 level stacks. The operation of the stack is similar to the other microcontroller. The program counter always point to the next instruction will be executed. In case of the call subroutine, the address is the pushed on the stack, and after the return from the called subroutine, the return address is the retrieved. And the 8 level stack will be allow maximum 8 return address, including the return address from the interrupt service routine.